put that back down.
We'll slice this down to the size of the thing beneath it.
Mm-hmm.
It's obviously some old imperial measurement, or
Yeah, it's a very old tap though, isn't it? It's a hospital tap from the 1950s or something,
yeah,
or
these were recycled out of
1930s.
some hospital in Plymouth,
Yeah,
I believe. But
they're kind of unique.
for
I
a tenner,
like them. Yeah, but
they
then
work, and they have these big flappy handles on them.
Yeah, and they're solid.
Like you'd have in surgery. Right, so I
Yeah.
cut that off. Sharp knife worked pretty well.
Yeah.
Retract that. Stick it back in there. Right, now that